Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today we will learn important English grammar words. You will hear the word, and then a simple sentence using the word. Listen carefully. Repeat after me, and practice your English speaking skills. Let's begin. Pronouns I am happy. You are my friend. He is tall. She likes music. It is a cat. We are students. They play soccer. Me, she helps me. Him, I know him. Her, I see her. Us, please help us. Them, I like them. My bag is blue. Your shoes are nice. His car is fast. Her dress is pretty. It's, the dog wags its tail. Our house is small. Their teacher is kind. Mine, the book is mine. Yours, this pen is yours. Articles and determiners AA. I see a dog, an Anne. She eats an apple. The sun is bright. This is my phone. That is my chair. These are my books. Those are big houses. Some, I have some water. Any. Do you have any milk? Many people are here. Much. There is much rain today. Few students are absent. Little. I have little money. All the children are happy. Every student has a notebook. No. There is no sugar left. More. I want more juice. Most people like pizza. Question words. Who is your teacher? What is your name? Where do you live? When is your birthday? Why are you sad? How are you today? Which color do you like? Whose bag is this? How much is the shirt? How many apples do you have? Conjunctions. And I like tea and coffee. But he's tired but happy. Or do you want tea or juice? Because I stayed home because it rained. So I was hungry, so I ate. If it rains, we will stay home. When? Call me when you arrive. Before. Wash your hands before dinner. After. We played after school. While. She listened to music while cooking. Although he was tired, he worked. Until. Wait here until I return. Since. I have lived here since 2020. Unless. You cannot go unless you finish homework. As A's. She smiled as she walked in. Prepositions in. The keys are in the bag. On. The book is on the table. At. She is at school. Bye. He sits by the window. With. I go to school with my friend. About. We talked about movies. For. This gift is for you. From. I am from Canada. To. She walks to work. Of. A cup of tea. Into. The cat jumped into the box. Over. The bird flew over the house. Under. The shoes are under the bed. Above. The clock is above the door. Below. The temperature is below 0. Before. I eat breakfast before work. After. We went home after class. Between. The ball is between the chairs. Behind. The dog is behind the tree. In front of. The car is in front of the house. Next to. She sits next to me. Near. The bank is near the park. Far from. My school is far from home. Around. We walked around the city. Through. The train goes through the tunnel. Across. He walked across the street. Along. We walked along the beach. During. Do not talk during class. Without. He left without his phone. Outro. Great job today. You learned many important English grammar words. Practice these words every day to improve your English speaking and listening skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.